Here's the fastest way to pop up view mode or floating app window mode. So something like this here. Now this is with Samsung phones with One UI 8.5 update. So let's just say you have apps open already. Go into the recent view mode, whether it's with the buttons or the gestures. Long press the app and you'll notice this will happen. You'll see this here and just let it go right on top and voila, that's your floating window mode right there. And if it isn't available for the app, it won't work, but if it is, you'll get this here. You can hold down the tab on the top area, drag it around, and if it's a video playing type of app, you can play the video and navigate other apps under it in full display and also adjust the size of it, as you can see. And that's basically it for this guide here. And if you learned something new on your Samsung phone, like and sub. And of course, this is also a feature that's been around for a long time now, and they just kind of improved it in the long run, but that's how we would go about doing it. So like and sub. Thanks for watching.